Hi guys, this is Ma'am Betchy once again. I just want to share to you Holy Herbs, the only Bible-based herbal supplement featuring 12 healing plants and herbs from the Bible, and it's all FDA approved. Iniinom ko ang Holy Herbs 30 minutes before ako kumain. Ang Holy Herbs ay may 12 natural ingredients na na-mention sa ating Bible. Like ang organic barley, barley grass, grapes extract, olive extract, cinnamon, pomegranates, aloe vera, milk thistle, cumin, parsley, garlic, and turmeric. All you have to do is just put cold water up to bottleneck, and then wag po ang hot kasi mawawala po yung kanyang nutrients. And then shake nyo lang ganyan. Shake, abad-abadan, shake, abad-abadan, sa ganun. Hanggang sa ma-dissolve na ang kanyang powder. Ayan, ganyan. She's a bop girl. Ganyan lang shake niyan. She's a bop girl. And then, nakikita nyo yung ating bottle. It is divided into 3 level. Diba? Yung white, and then yung green, and then yung yellow. Ang isang bottle kasi, ay may inom niya ng 3 days. So, first, ayan, hanggang doon sa level na green, ayan, ipopour nyo lang na siya na ganyan, and then, direct nyo na siyang iinumin. And then, the following day, ganun uli. So, 3 days nyo siyang iinumin, yung 1 bottle. So, don't drink directly dun sa ating bottle. Siyempre, kasi makukontaminate yan. So, 1/3 dose of Holy Herbs a day is enough to boost your immune system. So, sa next video ko, i-explain ko naman yung 12 natural ingredients ng ating Holy Herbs, kung ano yung mga benefits niya na maibibigay niya sa ating katawan. So, see ya till my next video. Kita-klik!